In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's free meeting scheduler as a great alternative to Calendly. If you're looking to streamline your meeting scheduling process while keeping everything within HubSpot, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to start by visiting the user guide on HubSpot. This section will serve as your launching pad into the meetings scheduler tool. So, fire up your web browser and navigate to app-natu.hubspot.com. Once you're there, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. HubSpot's user guide provides comprehensive assistance, which can be very useful if you encounter any hurdles along the way. Now that you're in HubSpot, the next step is to click on the Meeting Scheduler. This feature is normally found in the main navigation panel. It's designed to help you efficiently organize and manage all your upcoming meetings. Think of it as your digital assistant, working 24/7 to ensure your schedule remains orderly and manageable. Clicking on it will open up a new window dedicated to meetings and appointments. Once you've accessed the meeting scheduler, you're ready to create a new scheduling page. On the meetings dashboard, look for the option that says Create Scheduling Page. This is where the magic happens. By creating a scheduling page, you're providing a seamless and professional way for clients or colleagues to book time with you, eliminating those tedious email back and forths. Click on this option, and HubSpot will guide you through a setup process. As you proceed through the setup, you'll be asked to fill in specific details regarding your availability. This includes specifying the days and times you are available for meetings. Take your time and carefully consider when you are truly free, as this will affect how others are able to book time with you. You can also customize different settings, such as the duration of meetings, buffer time between them, and other preferences that suit your working style. A really neat feature of HubSpot's meeting scheduler is its ability to integrate smoothly with your existing calendar. Ensure you take advantage of this feature by linking your calendar within the settings page. This way, any booked meetings will automatically appear in your calendar, preventing double bookings and ensuring you always know what's coming up next. Remember, while setting this up, a clear professional image of you or your brand makes a great impact. Personalize your scheduling page with a photo and a welcoming message that reflects who you are and the professional experience you're offering. After you've completed setting up your scheduling page, take a moment to preview it. Make sure everything looks as it should and functions correctly. Once you're happy with the setup, you can share your scheduling page link with your clients and partners. They will appreciate the simplicity and ease of booking that HubSpot's meeting scheduler provides. By using HubSpot for scheduling, you not only simplify your life, but also enhance your professional image. HubSpot's intuitive design ensures you remain organized while also giving your clients a pleasant scheduling experience. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling with HubSpot.